Hey everyone, and welcome to the show. Today we're diving into the power of nature's own detoxifiers, plants. These incredible plants help cleanse your body from the inside out. We're exposed to toxins daily, but these plants act like little warriors. Stick around for real actionable advice and a special resource at the end. First up, we have milk thistle. This incredible plant is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting liver function. That's because it contains a powerful antioxidant called silymarin. Don't let its common name fool you. Gasp 3S. Dandelion is a detox superstar. It acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water and toxins through your kidneys. 3. Nettle is often overlooked, but this plant is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals, and it acts as a natural diuretic to help your body eliminate waste. 4. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing properties, especially for burns. But did you know it's also fantastic for detoxifying your gut? 5. Cilantro, also known as coriander, is a potent detoxifier, especially when it comes to heavy metals. It actually binds to heavy metals in your body, making it easier to eliminate them. 6. Turmeric is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for a reason. This vibrant yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and supports your liver in its natural detoxification processes. 7. Ginger is famous for calming upset stomachs, but it's also a fantastic detoxifier. It helps improve digestion, reduces inflammation throughout your body, and even boosts circulation. 8. Parsley is more than just a garnish. This often overlooked herb is a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out toxins and supporting healthy kidney function. 9. Green tea is renowned for its health benefits, and its detoxifying properties are no exception. It's loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, that support your liver in its natural detoxification process. 10. Wheatgrass is like a shot of green energy for your body. It's packed with chlorophyll, a powerful plant compound that helps oxygenate your blood and supports your body's natural cleansing processes. 11. Lemongrass has a bright citrusy aroma and is a popular ingredient in many cuisines. But beyond its culinary uses, lemongrass also boasts some impressive detoxifying properties. 12. Mint is known for its refreshing flavor and ability to soothe an upset stomach. But these aren't the only reasons to love this versatile herb. 13. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, which is essential for detoxification. Staying properly hydrated helps your body flush out toxins more efficiently. 14. Basil is a beloved herb in kitchens around the world, but its benefits go far beyond adding flavor to your favorite dishes. 15. Garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries, and for good reason. It contains powerful sulfur compounds that give it its distinctive aroma and contribute to its detoxifying effects. 16. Fennel, with its licorice-like flavor, is a popular ingredient in many cuisines. It's also a digestive aid that can help reduce bloating and discomfort while helping your body eliminate waste more effectively. 17. Moringa is often called the miracle tree, and for good reason. It's packed with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your entire body. 18. Burdock root is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxification. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to purify the blood and promote healthy skin. 19. Lemons are a popular addition to detox drinks, and for good reason. They're a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess water and toxins. 20. Red clover is a gentle yet effective detoxifier, traditionally used to support blood purification and healthy lymphatic function. So there you have it. 20 incredible plants to detoxify and revitalize your body. Incorporate these plants into your diet. Enjoy ginger tea, add cilantro to meals, or try a wheatgrass shot. Harness these natural detoxifiers. Every small step counts. Feel the difference. Thanks for watching. Live your healthiest life. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.